This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jeff Sliger. Wonderful 3-bedroom 2-bath home with an open floor plan on the main floor with an unfinished half basement. Renovated in 2018 with hardwood floors throughout and tile in bathrooms and laundry. Open kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Primary bedroom with fireplace and a walk-in closet. Come relax on the roomy back deck with a nice view of the backyard and woods. Won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Sliger at 865-693-1111.